Welcome back to the Meta Lane Academy, where we help you work faster, smarter, and leaner with Monday.com. Last week, we covered what Monday.com is, your company's operating system for work. This week, I'll show you how it boosts productivity here in the GCC. And together, we will build a lean workflow inside Monday.com. So by the end, you will say, I get it now. This is how work should flow. In the GCC, things move fast. Teams are scaling, projects are complex, and decisions need to happen now. But here is the problem. Most companies are still managing work across email threads, Teams messages, and endless Excel sheets. Sounds familiar? And that's exactly what productivity breaks down, because information is everywhere, but visibility is nowhere. So Monday.com fixes that by giving you one centralized system of truth, where every task approval and update lives in a single connected workspace. In lean methodology, we talk about flow, getting work from start to finish without waiting, confusion, or waste. Monday.com lets you build that flow visually. You can design your process, automate it, and measure it all in one place. No manual follow-ups, no chasing updates, just pure, visible progress. This is the difference between traditional management chaos and lean clarity inside Monday.com. Let's build something every GCC company deals with, an internal project approval process. Step 1. Intake. All requests start here. No more scattered emails. Everything is captured cleanly and automatically. Step 2. Flow. Once submitted, automations take over. Managers are instantly notified and approvals move to finance automatically. Step 3. Visibility. Everyone can see where each task is, what's in progress, what's blocked, and what's done in real time. Step 4. Dashboard insights. Leaders can instantly see performance, turnaround time, workload, bottlenecks, all measured, all visible. For companies in the GCC, where precision, speed, and execution matters most, this level of clarity changes everything. Construction firms in Dubai, retail and hospitality groups in Doha, tech startups in Riyadh, they're all using Monday.com to reduce noise, improve alignment, and make faster, data-driven decisions. And that's exactly what we mean when we say Monday.com boosts productivity the lean way. And here's the best part. You don't have to figure it out alone. As a Monday.com partner, Meta Lane helps you map your business process, build your lean workflows, create automations that save time, design dashboards that leadership actually uses. We don't just set up Monday.com. We help you build a lean system that runs itself. So that's how Monday.com boosts productivity and the GCC by giving you structure, visibility, and flow. So if that clicked for you, stay tuned, because next week we'll go one step deeper. We will show you how to create automations that save hours of repetitive work every single day. So we'll see you next Monday, right here in the Meta Lane Academy.